Right there. Look at that. So, this customer came in. Let's read the customer notes. Customer came in. Laptop is not powering on. Like, this is this power cord that they said they knew was good, and it's not working. So, let's figure that out. All right. So, let's see. I already see something that's bothering me, which is this bottom has been off of this computer recently. So, we got power coming in here. It could be a bad DC jack. Not getting any lights off of the front here. It's plugged in, so let's get the bottom off of this. This is a Dell Latitude E5450. This is an old guy. So it's got a Windows 8 Pro sticker on it. Why do I say what, Emily? Why do I say that a gaming desktop is better than a gaming laptop? For most people, it isn't, but for me, it is, because I have the space and money for the parts. And a gaming desktop has more expandability than a gaming laptop. For most people, what you have is all they'll ever need. This is Warking's favorite part right here. Yeah, I think laptop is good for you because it's portable. It's easy to move. And it doesn't take up a lot of space. Alright, we got all the screws out of the bottom. Let's get this off. There's almost a brand new battery in here. Right off, like I had asked the guy whether there was any liquid damage on this. And he said no. It wasn't anything he was aware of. Maybe his kid spilled something on it. Yeah, his kid spilled stuff on this. Like, I'll show you what makes the laptop not boot, Emily. Let's do that. We'll come to my microscope. And should be. Let's see. Right there. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. So we had some liquid intrusion on this guy. Let's see what else we find. So I'm going to call this guy right now and I'm going to let him know before I dig any deeper because he's not going to want to repair this thing. And see what he wants to do, but yeah, there was some liquid spilled on this. I can see it even over here. Oh, that's interesting. Hi, this is Michael. Hey, it's Chris over at the computer shop. Good. Someone spilled liquid on this. Yep, as soon as I took the bottom panel off, I found, like, immediately found liquid damage. So. Uh-huh. Buy a new computer? Yeah, that's like this is old enough that it's not worth putting any money into. So, and like it's like this is originally designed to Windows as a Windows 8 machine, so it's about 10 years old at this point, and the amount of money you put into this to get this up and running again is equivalent to going and buying something like now. So, not really worth fixing, unfortunately. Yep. Are you just going to come pick this up? Or do you want to dispose of it? Okay, that's fine. Yep, you have a good one. Bye. Oh no, the fact that the fan's spinning is a bad thing. Because, as you can see, like you can see how bad a shape the top of this is. Yeah. Because like where the damage took place right here, Like you can see, that's right next to the where the CMOS actual like part of the board is, and it created a solid short in there. You can see there's actually like a burn spot on there where like there's some rust. Yeah, this guy, like, unfortunate, but he said it best. It's like the joy of having kids. I would have taken it farther apart, Emily, if he didn't want it. So we can see where else there's actual damage from. Yeah, that's exactly what I would do with it. So it's crazy that this fan keeps wanting to spin up, though. Yeah, basically. He's like, no, I never had any problems with it. I let my kids use it occasionally. So I'm curious if I take this, let's see if I can get this off. See if there's any screws holding this on. It doesn't look like it. I'm gonna see if taking the keyboard off. Is this one of the ones that has... Let's see here. We're going to see if this is a frame over this. It is a frame. Woo! Yeah. So when he gets here, I'm going to leave this off and I will show him the... You can kind of see it. But the rust that's there from one liquid spot and the rust that's there from another liquid spot. I mean, you can see there was a bunch of liquid dumped on this thing. Like, and they definitely tried to clean it up, whoever it was. Let's just explore real quick. Let's see what's underneath this. Sure, Emily, you start replacing more and more parts. Basically, what you'll do is you'll end up building like an entirely new laptop. Ooh, that guy's toast. I might not be able to take this keyboard out. That's so rusty, it's not even magnetic anymore. Oh, this one actually has an SSD. Don't think the SSD is any good anymore. I feel like there's another screw over here. Ugh. Yeah, there's rust up here, there's rust there, there's rust all over the place on this. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.